Hi everyone, welcome back to our fun math session with me, Cima, Yushan, Cikgu Ahmad. Today we will learn how to use an algebraic formula. Don't worry, it's simple and I'll guide you step by step. Okay, let's look at the question. At this question, you see, solve solve A equals root 2b plus 3c. Then when b equals 4 and c equals 5, meaning that you have to find the value of a given the value of b and c. Are you ready? Let's see together. Okay, by the way, what is a formula? A formula is like a mathematics recipe. See, it's like a recipe. It shows us how to calculate something using letters. And in this case, a equals 2b plus 3c. This is what we call formula. Okay? Now, this means to find a, we must multiply b by 2 and multiply c by 3, then add the results together. So now we are given that b equals 4 and c equals 5. So let us substitute the values into the formula. Okay? So let us substitute it. So a equals 2b plus 3c. So I will use the yellow color. So a equals 2 times b, which is 4, plus 3 times c, which is 5. Okay, got it? So you know 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. 8, 15. Now 8 plus 15. So the final answer is, of course, 8 plus 15 is 23. 23. Great job, great job. You have just used an algebraic formula like a pro, This is a basic but important skill in algebra. And the more you practice, the easier it gets. Okay, so that's all for today. So I'll see you again in the next session. Okay, bye.